Hi everyone, happy Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about the magical, beautiful Detail HAC brush. This brush is my favorite brush, if I can say that I have a favorite brush for mascara, because they are all just so magical. Like when I very first got my very first starter kit, I wasn't even going to buy the brushes because I was like, I've got a million brushes, I don't need to buy another brush. And I am so happy I did because everyone was like, girls, these brushes are amazing. One, they're built for cream-based makeups, but two, they're also just made so well, and they're the hair fibers in them. Look how dense this brush is. But it is the softest brush ever. It's amazing. Like, they are legit the best brushes ever. I could talk about them forever, but we're just gonna get to the point for the Detail HAC brush and how to utilize this brush to your advantage. This brush is for what it says, the details. It is to help you with highlighting and contouring. So if you are new to the idea of highlighting and contouring and you're like, that scares me, I don't feel comfortable adding really dark and bright lines to my face, and I don't know where to put them, and that's the biggest thing, where to place these lines. And this brush is gonna take out that guessing game for you. It's gonna make things so darn easy. So I'm gonna start with contouring, and then I'm gonna go to brightening. So contouring, you're gonna use, for your cheekbone, you're gonna use the flatter, wider side of the 30-second HAC brush. It has this perfect flat end to hug underneath of that cheekbone. The hardest thing with cheekbone placement is not getting it below the cheekbone line and not getting it on the actual cheekbone. So you wanna hug like your cheekbone is like laying on a perfect little contour pillow, right? So an easy thing to do is just to feel your face. Find that bone and take your finger and tuck up underneath of that cheekbone. Right there is where you're gonna contour, and that's right underneath of here. So I'm almost taking this brush up at an angle to hug underneath of that cheekbone. I'm not going in flat because I don't wanna get it below it and I don't wanna get above it. So I'm going in with henna, that's the contour color I'm using. Maskcara has all of their makeup in one compact. Everything nice and easy. You don't have to open up a million things. It enables you to highlight and contour in a breeze. So going in with my henna, and I'm just swiping it across. That's how much I have on my brush. I know it's brown and it's brown, but you can still see it on the ends. And I'm going to just hug and tap that on there. And I'm going to just lightly sweep. And I'm going to lightly curve it up. Just a hug, almost making a Nike swoosh. But by taking the end of this brush and tilting it slightly and hugging that contour line, I am able to get that perfect underneath contour. Now, if you got it below it, you can use the other side that doesn't have any makeup with your regular contour color and just fill it in, yeah? So the other side, feeling where that cheekbone is, hugging underneath of it, and then I'm going to just lightly tap and swoosh to get that contour line hugging up and in place. Same for above my forehead. So in contouring, you're almost making a number 3. You're starting here, down the top of the forehead, under the cheekbone, and then under the jawline. So it's a whoop, whoop, number 3. So going to the top of the head right here and down and over. So this is creating natural shadows where natural shadows would take place if you were standing under the sun. It details your face, it gives you 3 dimension, and it adds warmth to your face, okay? So using the flat end just to draw lines. Same with under my jaw. Just using that flat end to draw the lines. Now, the other end of your Detail HAC brush is this perfect little small brush right here. So I'm gonna contour my nose next. So I'm gonna just swoosh, I'm gonna squeeze it out nice and thin, and then going in with my contour color. And with it squeezed, I'm gonna go on the edge of that bone. Now I have my brush sitting at an angle, so I can get right on top of that nose bone. I'm not going to the side, and I'm going on top. I want a nice, thin, close together parallel line. I'm gonna cap off the end of my nose right there. Okay, so brightening. Using the smaller end of this brush, I'm going in with my brightener. I'm using linen, that is my brightener, and I'm just pressing it on one side of my brush. Now I'm gonna start at the corner of my nose, and I'm gonna be making an upside down triangle here. So I'm starting here, going up, and then I'm working up underneath of that eye. So starting here and drawing that line out. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I like to be really bright underneath of the face, and then I'm gonna work up into underneath of that eye. This skin is so thin, you don't want it to become cakey here. So that's why I'm not adding any more. I'm keeping it nice and light. But it's still gonna give such amazing coverage because it's cream based. Now, trick of the trade here, I'm gonna take my brightener up on the side of my nose, and this will help the side of my nose disappear and make my nose look even thinner. And I'm blending as I go. Dipping in again, starting at the corner of my nose and taking it up. Now, I'm making really short stippling motions right here, and then working up into underneath of that eye. I'm doing the short stippling motions because I'm blending it as I go up underneath of that eye. Just stippling it underneath. There we go. Now, I'm gonna make the upside down triangle, brightening above my head. So I'm going to the edge of that contour line right there. But look how easy this brush makes everything. It's so detailed. It takes the guessing out of where to place things. It makes it so much easier. I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin just to balance that out. Now, this brush is so amazing that you can even blend with it. So I'm gonna take the flat end here, and I'm just going to, because it's so dense, I'm not gonna swoosh. I'm going to tap to blend. Just nice light tapping motions to blend this in. It is seriously a super versatile brush. Now you wanna make sure that you're not pressing down and making swooshing marks with this. You want to just tap with it to blend. And look how fast that blends. Cream-based makeup blends so darn well and so fast. But there we go. Contouring and highlighting with one brush that puts the placement so darn perfect, and it can blend. It's the best brush ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some blush on right now. And that's it, friends. The Detail HAC Brush, your best friend, I swear. If you are struggling with contouring or you just want your makeup to go faster, this brush is your friend. It's gonna speed up your routine tremendously, and it's good because that placement is so accurate with this brush. There's no second guessing, and it just gets in there, gets the job done, and it's just like so good. So if you would like this brush, the link for this brush is below in the comments. If you need a color match to mascara to get all your makeup into one amazing compact, my job is to color match you to the perfect color combination for your undertones, your skin tone, all of that goodness going on with your face. My job is to use color science to get you the perfect combo for you. So the link for that below is there. The link for that below is there as well. So if you have any questions, please comment below. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe if I can do anything for you, or if you want more videos like this. Thank you, friends. Happy Tuesday.